Difference between ordinary এবং extraordinary, inspiration behind Caitlin Clark's children's book revealed by publisher. Caitlin Clark doesn't need a basketball on every step to catch the community by storm, she can sometimes do it with a pen in her hands as well. The Fever guard, who is often associated with fast plays and precise shooting on the court, is now surprisingly authoring a children's book titled, Extraordinary, A Little Extra to Reach Bigdreams. Now, the book's publisher has doubled down on the inspiration that forms the book's main crux, targeted for children aged between chat to art. In an X post, sports show host Keith Murphy shared the front-page illustration of Clark's new book, showcasing CC hooping with jersey number by at the back. In the caption, Murphy shared the inspiration behind the book, as revealed by the publisher, Viking Young Readers, which is a part of Penguin Young Readers. According to the publisher, the inspiration for the book comes from a mirror that hung in Clark's childhood room, bearing the quote, "The difference between ordinary and extraordinary is the little extra. Basketball has given me so many incredible opportunities, but what has always meant the most to me are the people who've supported me along the way," Clark said. "I hope this book reminds kids that they're never alone in chasing their dreams and that giving a little extra to the people and moments is what makes them extraordinary." It's something that we've seen through Clark's hoops career as well. Coming into the WNBA in 2024, Clark didn't have the best of times while dealing with its pace and physicality. But with consistent grind, she overcame those hiccups and eventually became the WNBA Rookie of the Year. Thus, coming from such an individual who herself has navigated the path from ordinary to extraordinary makes the book even more credible and special. To make the book a perfect blend of learning and appeal, the language is kept rhyming to aid kids' understanding. Clark is the main author of the both 3-page book, with illustrations by Adriana Pridoi. The book is slated to be released on November 18, while reports suggest that an audiobook will also be available for it. But the expected date for the latter hasn't been announced in the media yet. Notably, this isn't the first association of Clark with Penguin Random House Publishers. The publishing house published Caitlin Clark, A Little Golden Book biography, last year, which largely revolves around years in Iowa. It was a New York Times bestseller as per the publisher. Furthermore, her upcoming book also strengthens her connection with her young fans, who have always had a special place in heart. The book isn't just stirring the masses. Individuals who have been associated with the publishing industry for years now have also shared immense praise for Caitlin Clark's Extraordinary.